Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily disable the internal keyboard in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at the bottom search bar, you need to type regist edit, okay? And the best one should appear, which is registry editor. Go with run as administrator. Click on it. Okay, so your use one control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to open the registry editor. Here you need to paste a registry path, which I'll be pasting at the description box below. So no worries for that. Just copy it, Control C to copy, and paste it in the address bar. Once done, click enter. Okay, and there you go. You would be redirected here at the Windows folder. Here we need to create a new folder. How? Just do right click, go with new, and go with key. Here we need to name this Windows Update. So just type exactly what I have typed here in my computer. Again, it is Windows Update. Once done, click that. Okay, and here at the center of your screen, just do a right click and go with new and go with the word 32-bit value. Here we need to change the name of this into exclude WU drivers and quality update. No space in between of the letters. Just have to copy this in the description box below. And then let's rename this. There you have it. Just click it to continue. So once done, we need to change the value data into 1. Okay. Go with modify and change the value data into 1. Just click on OK and then close this window and then restart your computer. And the moment you've restarted your computer, you have just disabled your keyboard in your Windows. Okay. So the next step that I could recommend you is at the start icon, you need to do a right click, scroll up and go with device manager. Click on it. Once you have successfully opened your device manager, expand it first. And this time you need to go with keyboards. Click on it. Click this forward arrow. And here you need to select your keyboard. Here you may have another keyboard adapter, sir, or drivers. Just have to select the keyboard that you want to disable with. Do a right click and go with uninstall. And then proceed to uninstall to confirm your action. And the moment you've uninstalled it, it will be automatically disabled in your Windows. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.